In this video, we will learn about displaying the digits of a number from reverse. If any number is given, then we are going to display the digits. Now, compared to the previous topics, previous videos, if you see, there is a change in the procedure, little change in the procedure. And based on this procedure, we are going to see a couple of programs on this one. So, let us start the topic. See, there is a number here, 1724. We want to display 4271. So how to change it? How to get the values from there? So we should get the value 4 separately, 2 separately, 7 and 1. Each digit we want separately. How to get the digits? Let us see. See, the number is 1724. I want to get the last digit. How I can get the last digit? So if I take mod by 10, I'll get the last digit. So remember this logic, you remember this procedure. If any number is there, you perform mod 1724 mod 10. This number gets divided by 10 and the remainder is 4, so this gives remainder 4. That's how you can get a digit. Then how I can get 2? So you can't get 2 now, right? If you mod by 100, you will get 24, you will not get 2. Then for getting that 2, let us make 2 as the last digit. How to make 2 as the last digit? Remove 4. How to remove 4? See this. 1724 divided by 10. Divided by 10 is 172.4. No. Integer division. You remember integer division will truncate that decimal part and it gives 172. That's it. So now the number has reduced to 172. It was 1724. Now it is 172. So you have 2 at the last. How to get 2? Again mod by 10. Again mod by 10. Again the number will reduce when you divide it by 10. So this way we can take out the digits one by one. So yes, that procedure I have shown here. So this is the basic idea I gave you. Now let us do it as a procedure. Let us do it. This is a number. How to get 4? Perform n mod 10 and take it as a remainder. So this is a remainder. Remainder is 4, right? First time remainder is 4. Then how to get this 172? Change the number to 172. So divide the number by 10 and make it as a number only again number. Now in the next step, it is 172. Mod by 10, we get last digit 2. Then divide the number 172 by 10, so it becomes 17. Then in the next step, 17 mod 10, 7. 17 divided by 10, 1. The next step, that 1 is carried. That 1 mod 10, it is 1. 1 divided by 10, 0 times, remainder is 1. Then divide 1 by 10, 0 times, 0. Now this became 0, stop. So next step, if you see, number is 0, so stop. So this is how we can perform the steps repeatedly and we can get the digits from the end of a number, from the right hand side of a number, and we can display them. Just we want digits, right? From right side or left side doesn't matter, we want digits. So we got the digits that are 4271. That's it. Let us see the flow chart for that one. Already I have a flow chart. Flow chart starts. Let us take a number. Let us say number is 1724. Then this is repeating. So this is using a loop. Which loop we will see afterwards. If n is greater than 0, yes, we have to stop when n becomes 0. So if n is greater than 0, if true, then 2 things we have to do. Take mod as a remainder. Divide the number by 10. Reduce it by removing last digit. Reduce the number. Then these numbers we want to print them. So print the number. After printing, continue. Again check if the number is greater than 0. Again perform these 2. Again print. Again continue. How long? As long as n is greater than 0. When to stop? When n becomes 0. So if n has become 0, means it's not greater than 0, false. So stop. This is the procedure. So this is how we can mod and divide and print. So these are steps we have to write. 3 steps are there in a loop. These are the processing part and this is the printing part. So output. So these 3 steps are there inside a loop, right? Now, Is it using for loop? We have already seen few programs previously in the previous videos. There I was there, counter was there. Is there any counter? No. No. Can I write using for loop also? Yes. Shall I write? No, don't write it. For means if you have the number of times, then use it. It's better. So how to write this one? While or do while? So okay, I will use while loop. Let us write it using while loop. So start, take a number, read a number is already there. How many variables required? N and R. Only two variables required. N and R. Then this is the beginning of a loop. Condition is there. So what is the condition? While n is greater than 0. Okay. If n is greater than 0, what to do? Find out remainder and divide the number by 10. Find out remainder n mod 10 and divide the number by 10 and divide it by 10. Then what to do? Print that R. So I will use a cout R. And after this I'll give NL so that every digit comes in the next line. So I should get the output like this: 4 first, then 2, then 7, then 1. Then after this, close. Again it goes to while. So close this loop. Then there is nothing after that. Close the program. So here you have to write return 0. You know it well. This is the program for displaying the digits of a number from reverse. So this is the program. There is a coding exercise available for this one. Complete that, and also demo is there, so you can watch that demo and write the program by yourself on your PC. Write the complete program and check it. So this is the basics of programming. If you are used to with this one, if you are good in this one, then you can solve new problems by yourself. New programs you can write down, right? And not just one time, if possible, write this program more than one time so that you should be able to write it without taking any help. You should be able to write the program by yourself. So this doesn't come just by one time. So do it again and again, right? So whenever you are free, you try to write the program. So if you want to learn programming, you have to spend more time in practice. Now, in the next video, the topic will be using same procedure. So I will not remove this. It will be as it is. So let us look at our next program in next video.